Shopify theme in which you can run B2B and B2C together in a single Shopify plan. This is the theme that you need for your needs, and you can check the theme in which you can create these sections as well. There are plenty of sections available in this theme, and you can also see the theme layout, and there is a FAQ and other pages also available that you can create using the theme customizer. And this is the wholesale form in which if someone is a wholesale user, they can fill the form and you will receive all the details, and from that you can create the customer as a wholesale customer. For the retail one, you can see that the retail can see the retail menu and the retail products. But if a customer is a wholesale customer and you want to give a special discount to them, you can use this theme. Let me show you the working. So this is the test user. So if I use the test, and sign in, the main menu is replaced by the wholesale menu, and this is the wholesale menu in which the wholesale customer can view. And if I click on wholesale products, I can see the wholesale products. These products are only available for the wholesale users, and you can change the pricing as well for the wholesale customer. This is the fully protected system, and this is the order form in which you can add the item in a list, so the customer don't need to go to another page to add the product. So this will work for the wholesale. And if I log out, the main menu is replaced by the wholesale one. So how you can purchase this? And so first you need to click on the buy now. You will redirect it to this page, and from that you can add the product. You can add this, proceed to checkout or pay. You will download the theme. So this is the theme that you can download by add to cart. You can download and install on your Shopify store. And I shared a documentation with this order. So if you purchase the theme, you will also receive a documentation. From that you can manage your customer, wholesale products, and the collection. Using this theme, you don't need to purchase a Shopify Plus plan. It will work on the basic plan, that is the $29 plan or the minimum plan. Buy that plan and install this theme and run B2B and B2C together in single Shopify plan. Right now the theme pricing is very less. It is $89, but it will increase as soon as possible. Purchase it and install on your store. Thank you. I shared the documentation URL in the description of this theme demo as well as the theme purchase URL. Thank you.